What's up everyone? I hope everyone is good. In this video I'm going to share with you how to use Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the finest, oldest and premium web hosting company which got attention later in 2013, but it was founded premiumly originally in 2004. So yeah, rebranded, renamed, but ever since 2013 it has been being one of the finest company, and right now at the moment more than 1.5 million website owners are happily using it. And let me tell you that I'm also one of the happy owners which I'm using Hostinger as my hosting company. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Hostinger as your hosting company. So what you have to do is what you have to make sure to click on the link in the description, which is like this, because if you click on that link you're going to get amazing discount, and I will show you step by step on how you can use Hostinger. So once you have clicked on this link, you can see over here the discount deals are already open here, but I'm going to tell you additional as well. So select the option of hosting over here, move on to web hosting, and then you can see that you can see three plans over here: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. All of the three plans are equally good. In the basic plan you're going to get up to save 80% off, and then I'm going to tell you free code as well. In this plan you're going to get 75% off plus 3 months free, which makes it even better option. Or business web hosting where you're getting it 3 months free, but here you are getting 75% plus 3 months, and then I'm going to tell you an additional coupon code over here. But if you ask me why I'm not recommending this plan where you are saving 80% off, is because you are not going to get a free domain over here, which you are going to get over here, and you can host up to 100 websites over here, so which makes it a preferably better option. And then all of the plans have weekly backups, free SSL. All of the plans have malware scanner, Cloudflare protected name servers, uh, free website builder, free email management, and then you are getting managed WordPress. And if you're coming from another hosting company, hosting offers free website and migration service as well, and 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy without any hassle or issue. 24/7 support with 99.9% uptime guarantee. And then you can see, if you are the reviews on Trustpilot, you can see that you have got amazing reviews. You can come over here and you can see 4.6 rating. Very few companies were able to achieve this rating, 4.6, with over 14,000 reviews in total. So yeah, which makes it a preferred option to offer. And they have data centers all around the world. You can get your website hosted in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, and other European locations. And then you get 24/7 industry's best support, and they have emphasized a lot on providing security, and everything is amazing over here. The support is very good. Now I'm going to show you their panel of how, because you wanted to use Hostinger, so I want to make sure. But before I move on to the panel, I want you to come over here and select this plan, add to cart option over here, because I'm going to give you an amazing discount code, and then I will move you to the panel. So now you can see their plans over here. I recommend you to offer the 48 months plan because you're getting the most over here with 3 months free. And I'm going to tell you an additional coupon code over here as well. What you have to do is, once you click on that link, select the have a coupon code over here and write this coupon code over here, because this coupon code is going to get further discount on already discounted deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description, which is like this, because this is only available if you click on that link. And now I'm going to show you their Hostinger each panel. They have created their own version of hosting panel, and that is amazing. I've been using it for around 2 years and I'm very satisfied with them, so which is why I recommend you to use it. Now let's move on to that. So what you have to do is you have to click over login here, and then press the login button over here, and then wait for them to log in. So here I am in my Hostinger panel. You can see I can manage my email from here, and I can manage my hosting from over here. I have used premium web hosting for an year. Right now I'm using business web hosting, to see how great this one is. Both of them are equally good, but with business web hosting you are going to get daily backups, which attracted me the most. So here you can see my daily backups open here. With premium web hosting you are going to get weekly backups. Even weekly backups are good as well. So you can see that they are continuously monitoring my website speed here, 1.7 second. They are also continuously monitoring my website for any malware error. Website is safe. You are recommending me to install Lightspeed, which can further improve my website speed. I can manage my WordPress over here, databases over here, file manager over here. If I move on to my WordPress over here, and I can install another WordPress with just a button, over here just select this install another WordPress, and then I can install another one. And it's very easy. All I have to do is write details over here, blah blah blah, and then just select this button, next button, and then I can install it. So it's just a click of a button that I can install another WordPress on my website. They are continuously monitoring my website for WordPress updates as well. You can see my PHP version, WordPress version, just a click of a button on my panel. The panel is amazing. Continuously monitoring my website for page speed as well. So, and then I can improve analytics, CDN, security, email, website, files, data, so much. I think so. It's very easy, and I can even manage your databases, advanced security. So their plan is very easy to manage on, and I can see my plan details, resources over here. If I move on over here, I can use the website development plan, or logo maker, or my great website, or auto installer to install other like WooCommerce, Joomla, or other things I can install. I can just install with a click of a button. So this plan is amazing to use. Their price model is very good, which I definitely recommend everyone to buy. So yeah, good luck and have fun enjoying buying hosting from Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description, and then I will also write the coupon code in the description so you don't miss out. When you order from Hostinger, then click on that link, plus use the coupon code to get the maximum discount while buying from Hostinger. So good luck and have fun.